Hi guys, I'm Christine from Glow Recipe, and today we're going to be talking about skip care. Skip care is a new trend in skincare that's being talked about a lot, and today we wanted to break down what it really is about, where it came from, and how you can apply it to your own routine. Skip care means a more condensed routine or skipping your skincare and want to kind of dial back to a simpler 2 or 3-step routine. First off, I do want to say that K-beauty is not really about a set number of steps in any routine, and the 10-step routine is honestly a myth. Korean women don't start off their skincare routine by counting the number of steps that they're going through on a daily basis. It's really more about having, yes, your skincare wardrobe, but taking and selecting products according to how your skin feels that day or at that time. So our approach at Glow Recipe has always been a little bit more simple. The foundation of skincare for us really begins with 4 basic steps. So it starts off with cleansing to create that clean canvas, toning to prep and balance the skin, the serum step, which is a treatment step to address your primary skin concern, whether that's redness or brightening or anti-aging, and then the moisturizing step to really seal everything in and keep the skin plump and hydrated. So really a lot more simple than a 10 or 15-step routine. And then depending on your skin needs, whether you add in a mask or an exfoliator or a sheet mask, it's really more about a dialogue with your skin and depending on its real needs. So I'm going to take you through a few examples of skip care routines for different skin types. But one thing to remember is skincare is ultimately about enjoying yourself, taking some time out to pamper and treat your skin, that moment of self-care. And if a multi-step longer routine helps achieve that for you, that is totally fine as well. If a shorter routine is more your style, that's fine as well. So I want to show you different ways to approach this. An example of a skip care routine for drier skin in the daytime is to start off your cleansing routine with a cleansing pad. Cleansing is an incredibly important step in your skincare routine, so you want to make sure you're not neglecting it. And it's really important to do that full 1-minute massage of cleansing with a great foam cleanser in the evening to make sure you're getting off all your makeup and your sunscreen and all the grime and pollution from the day. But if you haven't used a treatment like an overnight mask or something that needs to be washed off, it is okay in the morning to use a simpler alternative like a cleansing pad. Another way to do skip care is using a pressed serum, which is a serum and moisturizer hybrid. If you have drier skin, this gold apricot pressed serum is a really great option to still get that dewy glow with the minimum number of steps. It's just very cool, glossy texture. And then the last step of your daytime routine always needs to be an SPF so that your skin is protected. The great thing about this Make Prem Blu-ray Sun Gel is that it not only is a sun gel that goes on really clear so that you don't have a white cast, it's a really hydrating formula, so it once again helps to hydrate the skin, add another layer of protection, and works really well with a more condensed routine to still keep your skin protected but plumped throughout the day. So this routine, if you look at it in its entirety, is only 3 steps for the daytime. A skip care routine example for oily skin is to start off with the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. So at nighttime, once again, you really do need to get in a deep cleanse, and we recommend that you use a foaming cleanser, gently massage it all over your face for at least a full minute so that you're really melting away all the grime from the day, as well as makeup and sunscreen and other elements. Most people don't tend to cleanse long enough, but if you think about it, similar how to your washing your dishes, you do want to put in enough time to really massage and melt away everything. Another example of a serum moisturizer hybrid that's really great for oily and combination skin types is the Glow Recipe Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's a really beautiful gel texture that's extremely lightweight, but still very hydrating. And for the last step, I would still recommend sealing everything in with the pressed serum. And so for oilier skin types, the Crystal Ice Plant Pressed Serum is a beautiful gel texture. And the thing about layering these different types of hydration on the skin, even if you're oily to combination, you do need hydration to make sure that the skin's not overproducing sebum. So using dual layers at night will still help to keep the skin super hydrated and really nourished, so you'll wake up to glowing skin in the morning. If you have anti-aging concerns, a great nighttime routine that's still a simple 3-step would be to once again start off with the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, which is a really great foaming cleanser to both melt away makeup and deep cleanse. After cleansing, it's really important to get a sufficient dose of antioxidants if you have anti-aging concerns, and a great way to do that is with a essence oil toner like July. July is like a acai bowl for the skin. It's packed with antioxidant-rich ingredients like cauliflower, artichoke, pomegranate, chia, and there are these blue capsules embedded in the formula that kind of pop as you pat it in. And a great way to use this is actually 7 Skin. So because you're doing skip care, you're keeping your overall number of steps lower, but it's okay to double up, triple up, 7 Skin up on certain steps because that will really help to hold hydration in the skin for longer. And this will also allow you to use less steps in your overall routine, but still keep the skin plumped. For the last step of this anti-aging routine, you can wrap up with our cult Tundra Shaga Pressed Serum. This was that OG product that was in Shark Tank all those years ago. And it's a really great custard-like formula that is loaded with chaga mushroom extract to help with anti-aging benefits and smoothing the skin's texture. That's a pretty simple nighttime routine for anti-aging concerns. Another way to streamline your routine is to use an overnight mask. So overnight masks are really versatile. They're supposed to be used in the last step of skincare, so you can still cleanse, tone, use a serum, a moisturizer, and then layer in the overnight mask instead of the moisturizer or as the absolute last step. The Avocado Overnight Melt Sleeping Mask is a really great indulgent texture. I call it the Snuggie for my face. So it's really actually a great product to use directly on the skin after cleansing. It still wraps the skin in hydration and nourishment, and you can wake up to glowing skin by morning. It's not only packed with 4 different kinds of avocado extract, so it's a 74% concentration of avocado overall. It has manuka honey in it for extra nourishment, and PHAs, which are a new acid on the block. They're known for a larger molecule size so that it still penetrates to the skin, but at a little bit slower pace so that it's super gentle. It helps you skip that exfoliation step if you're using the mask 2 or 3 times a week, and helps resurface the skin without irritation. Other hybrid products to help you do skip care include products like the J1 Jelly Pack, and makeup and skincare hybrids are really big right now, especially primers that we call sleeping primers. So these are primers that are first and foremost skincare products. They have a host of skincare benefits, but they're also really great to be used before makeup. The J1 Red Jelly Pack is a really unique sticky texture. So what it does is it not only hydrates the skin and can be used as a moisturizer, but it also helps to grip the makeup or whatever foundation, CC cream you apply on top, so it functions as a primer as well. So I hope these example skip care routines have helped. Once again, skincare is really about a personal journey. It's really about enjoying yourself while you're doing your skincare and just doing the best you can for your skin. Whether you're a streamlined, all about skip care person or a person who enjoys a little bit more variety and steps in their routine, it's really fine. It's really a personal decision and up to you. But I would love to hear in the comments what type of routine you're doing and how you're seeing the benefits. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get your glow on.